Hello guys, it's me, LB in Sydney. Mag-unboxing tayo guys. Ayan, ino-open ko na yan ito guys. Ready na kasi para madali na lang ang pag-open. Okay? Dali na lang ang pag-unboxing. Okay. My goodness. What is this? Additional for camping guys. Really? Guys, I think this one is a light headlamp. Okay, headlamp. Okay, just oh, this one guys. Okay, okay, light. Just like that guys. So it's nice, okay? I don't know. I cannot off anymore. I don't know how to off this. Okay. I know now. This is a chargeable, guys. Headlamp. Because this one is good for camping. Camping tie, guys. Say chargeable, you need to charge this one. Okay, we charge this. Where is it? This one, I think here. Yes, this one here. Okay, we can charge this one here. Okay, so it's nice guys. The other one for me and one for my honey buns. Okay, we try this one. This one is working. Okay, make it sure is working. So the same. Okay guys, it is okay, and we can charge it. Okay. Oops, sorry guys. So it's nice guys. I don't know how to off this one. I forgot. It's good for the, you know, camping guys. Okay, it's both working. So this one is working also. Yes guys, it's both working. Thank you so much for watching guys. Okay, it's off. It's off the on. Okay, it's off na guys. Ilagay ito sa ulo. Okay, headlamp. Okay, I'm going to put this one to charge. Okay, wait. Okay, just like that guys. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Hello guys, dumating na naman yung isang parcel pa guys. Another gift from my honey buns. So we will check this one. Okay. Really? Really? Seriously? Oh. Oh. Really? Okay. Cable charger. This one guys. What is this? That. Ayaya. Yahoo! Kasi because my air plug, guys, is I lost my right side, so that's why he bought this one for me again. Uy, hangon. This one, guys, from Dawan. Okay. To open this one, guys. Yahoo! Ese? Kurog sa da. Ese? Jadi wow. Yahoo! Apple, AirPods pala ito, guys. I'm sorry, I'm wrong. Okay, this one. It's so tiny. It looks like small, but inside is says one. Okay. Yahoo! Thank you, honey buns. Uy.
Seriously.
Ayan, guys, is still alive, okay?
There's another charger in the box.
Where is it?
Under.
Nothing.
Under.
What under? This one?
Under.
This one?
Yeah.
This one here? Nothing.
Yeah.
I don't think so. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's me, Alvin Sydney. Bye-bye.